Let me ask you something. What would you risk on your big idea? I once risked everything. I almost lost my house on a business idea back in the 90s. Today, I run a six-figure business, and the difference wasn't luck, it was a method. So there's a real hard truth here that I'm going to tell you. Most great ideas never make a penny. It's not because they're bad ideas, it's because there's no clear path from I've got an idea to someone's actually going to pay me for it. So on the 11th of August, I'm running a 90-minute workshop with the Greater Birmingham Chamber of Commerce from idea to income. You'll learn how to take that spark of an idea, how to prove that it's going to work, and how to turn it into real income without betting on your business.
Hi, I'm Lee from Talking Frankly Therapy. I've been on the Vision to Venture process. Are you ready to see how it works?
So Tuesday, the 11th of August at the Chamber headquarters on Hagley Road, whether you're just starting out or whether you're already trading, just bring your idea that you're chewing on. Spaces will be limited, so just book your place through the Chamber website. See you there.